Steve Pizza, see there? I'll just show you a panoramic view so you can check it out for yourself. Right beside Denny's, right across from Whole Foods, right beside Home Depot. Alright? Steve's Pizza. Very, very good. I promise you. Steve's Pizza. And Steve's Pizza is on Biscayne Blvd, right before you get to the stoplight at 125th, and just before you reach to the plaza at the corner, and just after you pass the Home Depot plaza. Yeah, and it's a proprietary restaurant, nice little place, little dive. They do obviously Italian food, pizza, sub, sandwich. Their prices are very good, and yeah, you can always check them out. You know, whatever you need, authentic Italian food. You know, pepperoni, vaze, and yeah, it's great. It's really great. You know, I've had it one time before, and it was very, very good. You know, it's different when you see somebody making the pizza, and it's way different than, you know, if you go to these fast chain pizza places, your food don't turn out or you want it to turn out, you know. So yeah, as you can see, it's really a dive. You know, the walls are graffiti up. People leave them graffiti on the walls, and yeah, you can just follow the traffic outside, you know, different things like that. Yeah, so Steve's Pizza, guys, Biscayne Blvd, 125th, just across from Whole Foods. All right. Our pizza just delivered. Pepperoni, Italian sausage, pineapples, and yeah. How it look, Josh?
Good.
You can't wait, right?
Yeah.
You just take your time, okay? Put it all around.
My mom, she said, oh.
What she said?
She said, don't put it only on ours.
Go put it back. Yeah, I broke the rules. Yeah, and the pizza come up to little bit of money, about what, $16, I think. $23. Yeah. And the setting, as I say, nice settings on the outside. And it's busy but not overly busy. You know, it's urban, so I'll go see if we can enjoy the food right now. If you want to. So the lady going to go buy Angry Orchard and beer. Eh? That she go buy for you, know. After we have planned to eat, we'll like something and something. I'm gonna dive in, guys. Cover it. Put up the right. Yeah. So we're gonna have something to eat, you guys. It's a Saturday morning. We're coming from orientation with Joshua, and well, I got something here. And this is once again a Steve Pizza on Biscayne Blvd. This was made to order. And them like it. You like it? And for them choice, for them put whatever they want. But as I say, right across from Whole Foods, and right before you turn into if you're coming from north, before you turn into the Home Depot Plaza, right behind the Denny's is right beside Denny's. And it's a nice little.
How thin the crust is?
Crust very, very thin. As I say, it man just make the something in front of it. You know, and that in itself is good. Good cheese, good food. Yeah. So the thing said.